Withdrawing money from Steam account is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you need to open Google Chrome and then type Steam in the search bar. After that, click on the link to the official Steam website for online downloads. Proceed by clicking on the Install Steam button to initiate the download process. Once the download is underway, when Steam app is installed and then open it, you'll need to create a Steam account, entering your account name and password to log in. After successfully logging in, click on the Library button. From there, access the Manage Account section to view your current wallet balance. Following this, open Google Search and enter Skin Cashier. Then select the Skin Cashier website from the results. Once the dashboard loads, locate and click the Sell Your Skin button. On the subsequent page, provide your Steam account credentials and click the Sign In button. After signing in, provide your email and trade URL. To find your trade URL, click on the provided link to retrieve it from a third-party site. Copy the trade URL and paste it into the designated box on the Skin Cashier website. Next, input your email address and select the Check button. Afterward, click on the Save Account Settings button. Ensure that your inventory privacy is set to public. You also have the option to update your inventory at this point. Choose your preferred payment method, which can include PayPal, Bitcoin, and more. Finally, click the Get Your Cash Instantly button. Following these steps, you will receive your payment promptly. And it's done. This is how you can withdraw money from Steam account.